Hi, Patrick Fulop here at Effective Martial Arts HQ in Pointe Claire, West Island of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And in this quick lesson, how to tie your EMA belt. All right, so you just begun your EMA journey and you need to know how to tie your belt. So you just got your belt and it is very lightweight cotton, very thin. So the advantage is that when you tie it, it will remain tied for your entire training session, which is a very good benefit. Now, so what you're going to do, very simple. Hopefully you already have your pants on. So you want to have your pants on. You want to tie them nice and snug. You want your rash guard or t-shirt inside your pants. And a very cool innovation that we brought to the EMA uniform is to have loops in the front. So you have little hoops here in the front and in the back. So that way, same as a regular pair of pants with a belt, you put it through the loops so it holds your pants up, as well as the pants kind of hold your belt in place as well. So there's a double benefit there. So very simple. We're going to start with one end of the belt and we're going to pass it once through every loop. So 1, 2 here, 3 in the back like this. And the fourth one, I'm going to bring it here in the back, just like so. What you want to do next is you want to flatten it out here. So I'm going to make it nice and flat so it looks nice. It's going to probably move a little bit while you train, but when you set it up at the beginning. You want to wash your belt once in a while also, so it doesn't smell or anything, and but just very delicate and no dryer, so leave it out to dry. So once you have once through every loop, 2 in the front, 2 in the back here, you're going to cross it in the back, nice and flat. And now we need to make sure that both ends are the same length. So am I close? Yeah, I'm a little bit longer on the right side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a little bit of a tug towards the left, and now a little bit more. Left and right are the same exact length. That's what you want. From here, I give it a little tug here to make it nice and tight, not too much. You don't want to suffocate yourself. But you make it nice and tight here, little tug, and then you bring it all the way back around. So you see the belt goes once under every loop and then once over every loop. So it looks nice and smooth. Tight here, cross with a knot. So I go under, I'm doing the left side under, doesn't really matter left or right, but you go under and over with one side, same as when you tie your shoes. And then the piece that went under goes back from the under position back over the other one, like so. So here, and then when you tie it, you get a nice flat knot, like this, and both ends are sticking out to the side, approximately a few inches in length on both sides. Now, depending on how you're built around the waist, you might need to cut your belt if it's hanging around too long. You don't want the lengths to hang down past the knee, because then it's going to become it's going to bother you while you train. So you can cut it and sew it on one end so it fits your waist. And alternatively, if you're really small around the waist, you can go one extra turn around. So instead of starting it in the front, start in the back. You go front, front, and then it's going to be a lot shorter. So last part, just to make it look nice before you're ready to train, we're just going to flatten it out, the top part as well, like this. Flatten it out in the back. I'm hiding the loops. And there we go. You have your EMA belt on, you are ready to train. So, till next time, I'm Patrick Fulop. This is Effective Martial Arts. Thanks for watching and practice well.